Welcome to this quick guide where you will learn what SpaceLogic KNX Remote is and how to set it up in eConfigure Lite, Expert or Expert Student. SpaceLogic KNX Remote is a subscription-based feature tailored for system integrators and smart electricians. Designed for ETS version 5 or 6 as an ETS-App and eConfigure Lite, Expert and Expert Student version 3.0 or higher, SpaceLogic KNX Remote allows you to securely and remotely access and configure your customers' KNX projects, as well as their Wiser for KNX or SpaceLink controllers. To set up SpaceLogic KNX Remote in eConfigure, we'll guide you through each step, from installing or updating eConfigure to downloading the SpaceLogic KNX Remote package, creating an account or logging in, and exploring the Quick Start Guide. To set up SpaceLogic KNX Remote, start by installing or updating eConfigure to version 3.0 or higher. For eConfigure Lite, download the latest version from your Schneider Electric country page or use the Schneider Electric software update tool on your computer. For eConfigure Expert or Expert Student, you'll find the latest version in the ETS-App Store. Once opened, navigate to SpaceLogic KNX Remote in the menu. Click on Download and install the SpaceLogic KNX Remote package. To use SpaceLogic KNX Remote, you will need a Schneider Electric Cloud Services account. This account securely links your subscriptions to you and allows customers to grant you access to their installations. If you already have a Wiser KNX app account, you can log in with the same credentials. Otherwise, create a new cloud account and sign in. After signing in, a step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the main features of SpaceLogic KNX Remote. You can revisit the tutorial anytime by clicking the Quick Start Guide button. To begin using SpaceLogic KNX Remote, you will need an active subscription. Click the Purchase Subscriptions button to get started. We'll guide you through the full process in the next video. You can find more in-depth information anytime by clicking the Help button to access the user guide. And that's it! You now know how to set up SpaceLogic KNX Remote in eConfigure. To continue exploring SpaceLogic KNX Remote, make sure to check out the other videos listed on the screen. For more tutorials and support on using eConfigure, you will find helpful links in the comments.